Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on Messenger. You will go to settings like this. Here you will go to settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will go to this window of Messenger. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will go to Play Store. You will search about Messenger or Facebook Messenger, and here you will update your app if you find the update, so please don't forget.